Very good morning to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, your English teacher, is going to describe the summary of a very interesting chapter in the name of Footprints Without Feet, written by H.G. Wells. The chapter is included in grade 10 CBSE board. In this chapter you will study about only one major character, that is Griffin, and he is playing the role of a scientist. Apart from this, he is also known as the Invisible Man. Such chapters have a very important theme. Psychologically ill people, insane people, yes, they are powerful. Similar condition even applies to Griffin. If we talk about terrorists, they are insane. Reason why? Because they want to create a terror in the minds of people. And look at this, not because of the education that they are gaining. In case if they start gaining education, they can not only create a terror, they can also win the world positively. Similar condition you will see in this chapter. Griffin was a frustrated man. Yes, he was a wonderful scientist, wonderful in the subject chemistry when he was at his college level, but he misused his education. How did he misuse it? He wanted to create a terror in the minds of people because he felt that he is being ignored. This is the reason he started to discover such formulas that could make a man invisible. And after being invisible, he could create immense terror in people. And he did that. He was successful in doing that. First, he tested it on a cat and then on himself. He had burnt the landlord's house and escaped from there. After escaping from there, Griffin, his footprints were first seen by two men who started to approach and follow the footprints, because Griffin by mistake had stepped into mud. But still he made an escape. He is invisible, no one can harm him. Now he decided to enter into the streets of London, where he felt immense cold, extremely cold. He was naked. He was wearing no clothes. This is the reason he felt cold. But yes, he was invisible. This is all fiction. Don't consider it to be real. Now, he planned to steal some food and clothes in a shopping center once it is shut down. And he did that. Wearing comfortable clothes, drinking wine, eating food, he went off to sleep. The next morning, the shop assistants and associates, they saw him and chased him. See, right now he is wearing clothes, so this is the reason he is visible. He was chased and then he removed his clothes. Again he turned to be invisible and was wandering around the streets of London. Again he felt very cold, so he decides to enter into a theatre company where he steals bandages, coat, hat, bogus nose, goggles, that is shades. And now he covers himself, moves out, enters into a village named Iping, I-P-I-N-G, where he takes an inn. Inn actually means hotel. He gets a room by Mrs. Hall without an identity. He starts again doing all experimentation in that room. And Mrs. Hall, a greedy woman who had already got an advance, she never used to poke him. But one day, when Griffin, he stole at one of the known people of Mrs. Hall's house, that is Vicarage. Vicarage means the president of the village. he stole money from his house. It was an end now. Mrs. Hall stopped serving him with food and all. Griffin wanted to make an escape. He was frustrated and he removed all his clothes in front of Mrs. Hall. Mrs. Hall fainted, seeing him invisible. Mr. Jaffers, Jaffers was called. He is a constable. But Mr. Jaffers, it was impossible for him to catch someone who is not visible. In case if he would have even shot at him, what result would have been received by him? Nothing. This is how even Jaffers was unsuccessful in catching Griffin, and Griffin made an escape. So the title of the chapter is, again I would like to repeat, Footprints Without Feet. Students, any confusion, you can log into my channel in the name of Desire Career Point, or you can call me at 9839305466. Thank you so much, class.